everybody. Mike Cobb at Gran Pacifica again. I wanted to give you a little bit of flavor of what the next building, the Masaya building here at Las Perlas condominium community is going to be like. This is actually the top floor residence in the Momotombo building right next to where the Masaya building would be. So if you decide you want to pre-order one of the Masaya residences, this would be your view. So please take a look. You're looking out across the golf course. You're looking at one of the best surf breaks in all of Central America. One of the top 10 surf breaks, the Meat Grinder. This surf break has been on the cover of Surfer Journal. Kelly Slater and his video team came down specifically to do videoing on this surf break. One of the top 10 in all of Central America, right here. So from your balcony, and we're on the balcony right now, from your balcony, you are gonna be able to sit here and look at that surf break every day. And in the evening, and if we look just a little bit over here, we can see the sun setting, phenomenal sunsets over the Pacific Ocean. This is life in Nicaragua that's phenomenal. By the way, one of the things that we talk about is quality of life and cost of living. Ownership of one of these residences is under $150,000. Oceanfront, Pacific Ocean, under $150,000. That's your cost of acquisition. But now all of a sudden, what's your cost to live here? Unbelievable. You can actually have a higher quality of life and it costs less. I lived in Nicaragua for 14 years with my family. Loved it. We had a great time. We spent 1/3 of what we would have spent living in the United States. We had a full-time maid. We ate organic fruits and vegetables, free-range chicken, hormone-free cheeses and meats every day. And it costs so much less than living in the States. So you can have this beautiful view. You can own this beautiful residence. You can live, you can play golf every day. Look at that tee right there, the green out on the ocean. This is spectacular. Life is wonderful. Come down and visit. Really, come down and visit. We'd love to have you see this for yourself. And when you do, you may decide that it's right for you as well. So again, we'll be back with some more information, some more stories, and some more updates from Central America. Until then, live well.